When you're looking for friends, family, all gathering together for a festival or for an event, all you can think of for a quick, simple and easy meal is a wonderful, flavorful biryani. The biryani that I'm showing today, ladies and gentlemen, is a very different biryani called the vegetable Chettinad Biryani. Let's begin. Well, as such, there's nothing called a vegetarian biryani. It's generally a tehri. And this one has a lot of Chettinad-like flavors, primarily fennel, stone flower and star anise. Well, a combination of these three primary dominate the Chettinad masala and hence the name. First things first, we begin with an earthenware pot and to this add in a combination of oil and ghee. Let's do that. Let's begin with oil, some ghee for that additional wonderful flavor. Let's begin with fennel seeds. Along with this, a combination of whole spices, cinnamon stick, star anise, black pepper, cloves, green cardamom, mace, and the most important, lichen flower or stone flower. Along with this, a couple of bay leaves and sliced red onions. Once the onions turn translucent like so, time to add in crushed ginger, garlic and green chilies. Let's mix this and ensure the raw flavor goes away. Time to add in sliced tomatoes. And along with this, some spices. Time to add in red chili powder, a touch of turmeric. Let's add in salt, along with this, curd. Let's stir this well and now add in some vegetables. Well, today I'm just adding in a couple of vegetables that are available at home, which is a combination of carrots, green peas and mushrooms. To play safe, you can also build up and add in potatoes and cauliflower. If you want to anglicize it a little, you can add in broccoli, you can add in zucchini. Just don't add vegetables that would tint the biryani as such, like red cabbage and beetroots, but otherwise, play safe. Let's mix this well. Time to add in carrots, green peas and mushrooms. And along with this, some coriander as well. Let's mix this well and allow the vegetables to cook on medium flame for around 7 minutes. And while this is getting cooked, let's quickly add in some thinned down coconut milk. Let's mix this well. It's been 7 minutes and the vegetables are kind of 3/4 done. Time to lower the flame and add in parboiled basmati rice or any long grain rice of your choice. I've cooked this just with salt and star anise, retaining the primary flavor of this biryani. Time to cover this and turn the flame on an absolute low. Well, 20 minutes on absolute low flame is just about perfect for a biryani in an earthen pot like that. If it's extremely thin at the bottom, you may just want to keep a tawa or a griddle at the bottom. With this, ladies and gentlemen, our Chettinad Style Biryani is done and ready. And before I leave, a very, very, very happy new year to all of you across the globe. Bye for now.